Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the device you want to block. Use your router's connected devices list or a network scanner to find the extender's IP and MAC address. Once done, gather admin credentials for both the router and the extender. Make sure to have physical access if you plan a factory reset. Also note the extender's SSID and wireless band so you don't accidentally block legitimate access points. These steps let you act precisely, rather than guessing which device to block. Now, log into your router and create a MAC or IP-based deny rule for the extender. This prevents it from obtaining network access. Alternatively, remove its DHCP lease or add a static deny entry so the router won't hand out an IP. If available, disable the extender's SSID or block its specific wireless band to stop bridging. Once applied, reboot the router and the extender so rules take effect, and monitor the connected devices list to confirm the extender. Finish by securing the network to prevent reattachment. If the extender still connects, factory reset it and then reconfigure only trusted devices. Change your Wi-Fi password and update WPA2/WPA3 settings and enable wireless client isolation or device whitelisting so new repeaters can't join. Make sure to update router firmware. If things go wrong, check for MAC spoofing or cloned credentials. Verify firmware isn't reverting settings, and scan for nearby repeaters that might be relaying the blocked signal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.